Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. My name is Jacqueline. As usual, Sundays, you know what they are for. Today has particularly been a busy day, but old habits die hard, so we must roast something this Sunday. And so for today, what we're doing is I have pork with me. This is what we're going to roast. If you're new in Jackie's Kitchen, you're most welcome. I hope you subscribe and come back again. For my subscribers, thank you so much guys for the support and the love. Keep following, keep supporting. We love you back. So for the seasoning part, I'll use white pepper, garlic powder and salt, nothing else. That's all I'm going to use. I'll only rub this into the flesh, then proceed to the pan. I have 3 pieces, but I think only 2 are going to fit here. So the other one, once I'm done with these 2 pieces, is when I'll finish up with the other piece. So after like 5 minutes, I'll come check what's happening. And wow, this is really fast. So I'll keep turning these pieces until I get the nice color that I want, and also give time for the inside to cook. The good thing is I'm using this pan which has some steaming effect, so I'm sure my meat will have cooked. I have turned this 3 times both sides now, so it's now ready. Beyond this, I'll start burning my meat. And from this piece that is on the pan, when you want to know that it's cooked, you can see the ribs are peeping. For lack of a better word. But I hope you can see these. You see here? Yes, so meat is cooked, it's now retracting, and the bones are coming out. So I'll do the same for the remaining piece. This is the last piece. This is the shoulder cut. So it has less bones and it should cook faster. If you like this video this far, please give me a thumbs up. You can also leave a comment and tell me what else you want to see me roasting. And you also stand a chance to win a gift hamper from Jackie's Kitchen by participating in Jackie's Kitchen November Challenge. I'm going to leave the link to that in the description box. For the lovers of nyama choma, I think this is ready to eat. But in Jackie's Kitchen, we're going to do an extra step just to make it even more juicier. Patience pays, so let's just wait. Kai, sinitoe kamera niume kidogo. So I'm going to fry some onion with garlic. Perhaps you're wondering why I'm not adding salt. My meat has salt already and soy sauce is very salty, so no need to add salt at this point, unless you taste and feel that it's not enough. Our pork choma is ready. Let's dig in.